Talofa lava. Greetings to you all. Moli le ngang whaftai, tangaloa, lau fionga I le pule o tau samaanga po le ni e fiafi malu. Vea lava lau fonga ma fonganga o le tātou taitai po le sunga le pulisiri, fionga le la aun whausia. Ia mai se whaululunga o matanga luenga, so I fua maloina I Samoa. Oli le ngang whaftai, I le whaiwhiau, sunga I atu alua perese, mo le upu mātango fie I le ne fiafi. O lau sunga lava o le whawhengainga taulangi, a le mamalu le to wha, po ia I alo whanenei. Kai te nane le loto I whale o le manu Samoa. Po ia le valea oa le ainga sa whanunu I wao, mai se le tauanga I se ese ia whale alili. Ma lo whaaftai. Po ia o Samoa o poto, le mawhai na aluloa se tala I atunu I whako, a o le tātou loto I whale, e te taulava o na o whapai ai. Velo leo e whai mafonga o le malo Samoa, Ionga I le ao le malo ma le misiofo, le ngata fo I lea o le suitofia ma le whatua. Ai a, le fia o le palemia, li I ma te maitai o le kāpeneta, whonga whitalai, taitai o le itua ngai, ai mai se li whaipule, ma te maitai whaipule o le mota o Samoa. E le ngata fo I lea o le whaulunga, o le whamasinonga o se tasi o waenga au tū, tā whatolu o Samoa. Fionga I le whamasinsili, a li I matamtai o whamasinonga, ea ai tinane Samoa o poto. O maru te we ele nei fiafi, o wā o lele, o seu I whanua le fuata wa au, o tō le whale o tau tai le so. O wā Samoa le atunu o umanu tofi, le ai lava se poto, e nā te toi pulmo fuina le oloanginga, e lei fo I se vave, e nā te fōua le aputau miliuma e whainta, o Samoa o li e vililo, e au waunta, e whainga tā fo I ona whainga. A whaitere nei a fiafi, o lea lava ua whaatangi moe manu o lea fiafi, ua ngoto foi le whetui le no whanga. O lea lava ua poto Samoa, ai maise le asosi manu, mai atinu I whafo le te maitai, tai te whono, ai maise sui mamalu mai atinu o le Pasifika, o tātou wōma paanga, o tātou a fia poto maua tangata, ai le tātou lau ele nei. Ia ele te wha ilo ia tulanga, o mamalu mamatango fie nei aso. Le wha moe o le auto ele talaina, wa o manino malama, tulanga pei ona iai le tātou wha moe le afiafi. Lau sunga le whaife au, Reverend To'alua Perese, the Madam Chair of the Pacific Islands Operating Room, Nurses Association, nurse representatives from the Pacific, ladies and gentlemen. I am honored to be with you this evening to the official opening of the Pacific Islands Operating Room Nurses Association Inaugural Conference and Annual General Meeting 2023. This conference is the first ever regional, one of its caliber, to be hosted in Samoa. And I, on behalf of the Samoan government, applaud the chairman or the madam chair, executive members, as well as affiliated members of the Pacific Islands Operating Room Nurses Association for considering Samoa as the host of such important event like this conference. It is a golden opportunity for all nursing staff of Samoa to attend and further enhance their knowledge and gain expertise on their areas of work, especially in operation rooms, which will contribute in promoting safe and quality health operation services, not only for the Pacific region, but for Samoa specifically. Sending all of them overseas for capacity building trainings is very costly to Samoa government. I am greatly encouraged to see the purpose and objectives of this conference are very much in line with Samoa's national health priorities, as articulated in the pathway for the development of Samoa financial years 2021-2022 to 2025-2026, and health sector plan for financial year 2019-2020 to 2029-2030, whereby Samoa government through the Ministry of Health, as leading agency of Samoa's health sector, is committed to upskilling and capacity build its healthcare workforce, including nursing profession, with required knowledge and skills, through professional development events like this. I am confident that this event will be the beginning of the close partnership between Samoa government through the Ministry of Health and the Pacific Operation Room Nurses Association, which will be further strengthened through the provision of continuous professional developments for nurses. I sincerely hope that by the end of this conference and annual general meeting, you are able to achieve the set objectives of this conference, which are to: 1, acquire knowledge and skills to enhance and maintain best perioperative nursing practices; 2, exchange information that improves mutual support and learning; 3, empower solidarity and unite, create and strengthen networking amongst nursing professionals. I wish you all a most productive conference and annual general meeting, and looking forward to your commitments and partnership this event. I now declare the Pacific Operation Room Nurse Association Inaugural Conference and Annual General Meeting 2023 officially open. God bless you and bless Samoa. Whawhitai soifua.